Hey, man. Look out.
What's up, bro?
It's you again.
What's going on, dog?
Man, where you been, man?
Hey, you said I was gonna run over everybody.
Yeah, man. I ain't know you were gonna watch the video, man. God damn.
The thing is, bro, everybody had their team. I ain't got nobody.
Oh, yeah, see, he ain't had no team, y'all. He out here by himself, man.
I got that glue right here. I want that glue.
Man, he got the glue, man. They ready. Hey, man, you had everybody on my YouTube channel. Where that old boy with that Regal at, man? He back, y'all. Here go that.
Hey, from Memphis 10 to Dallas, Texas, bro.
From Memphis 10 to Dallas, Texas. Somebody talking about that's a real racer right there. They know it when they see it. What's explained ain't got to be understood, man. Tell you what. Hey, man, he done brought that Regal back, man. Yeah, man, nah, you had that wheel turned, man. He scared the shit out of me. I said, man, he got that damn wheel turned.
I ain't know nothing about lookout to my buddy. He coming out here about 30 minutes. He said,
Yeah.
He just look out, dude, be out there, look out, said, look out, look out.
Yeah.
I watched it, I was like, yeah, that's me right there. He's like, hold on, you just run over everybody, dog.
Man, I thought you were finna run over everybody, man. I seen that thing.
Dog, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, man, keep that wheel straight, man. Advice of the night, that wheel needs to be straight. And do a rolling burnout. Roll. Don't get off the gas until you done rolled on through. You need to roll that burnout through. Nice Regal, man. What year is that Regal? What year is that Regal?
86.
Oh, he got an 86, y'all. They asking what year it is, man. He finna come out here and he finna show y'all something in a minute. He getting in the line. Look out. All right, y'all. It's about to get a little more interesting because guess who's coming up next? We have that Regal. Go. That must be sounding good. He got it cackling. That old motor in there. Look out, look out. Hey, miss, you know where to put that at, right? Because I'm finna teach you. Not right here. Not right here. I'm finna teach him, man. Hold on. You come over here and listen with me. All right. Look, y'all about to do it wrong. You about to do it wrong. I'm finna tell you how to do it. First, the purpose of this water burnout right here is to get all the rocks off. So all you gotta do is just whoom one time. Just whoom. Just to knock the rocks out. You good right there. Come on up. Put it in drive. Hit it one time. Whoom. Alright. Alright, come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Alright. Now right here, when you do your burnout, get it around 5,000 and kind of hold it. Once it gets to 5 and start gripping, it's gonna start trying to bring that 5 down to 4. That's when you give it a little gas, get off the brake, and go and roll it out. You got it? 5,000. 5,000. Oh, when you went, keep it.
I got it.
Alright, now come on. Just get off the brake. Just get off the brake and go on and go when you Dang, boy. I'm trying to tell him. Okay. I'm on the other side. Back up a little bit more. A little bit more. Alright, now where your girl at with the glue? Hold on, stay right there. Hey, now it's your time to shine, miss. Now it's your time to shine. Put a little glue on the other one. Come on. Put it down there. Put it down. Alright. Now come on over here. Do the other side. Do the other side. Okay. That's good. Alright. Scoot up just a little bit. Right there. Now do this. Just get it up to about 5,000 and you get out of it. Oh, okay. Alright, bam. It's ready. That glue in there. Straighten it up a little bit. Don't get it in. Well, he didn't. Well, hell out. Alright, yeah, just straighten it up. Let me make sure he ain't. Oh, yeah, he knocked all of it off. He good. I don't know why he don't do that. Nah, he's learning how to do his burnout real good, man.
He won't listen.
I know now he ain't listening, but still. Now, hey, the burnout over with. Hey, the burnout over with. You don't got to do no more burning out. It's over with. You ready to go. All right, right there. go. Get in the turn the first bulb on. Turn the first one on. Let them know you ready. What kind of shifter you got in there, man? That's neutral. Oh, that's reverse. Drive. We looking for low.
Hey, you need to calm your motherfucking ass down, dog. God damn, man. Stop all that bullshit, man.
What the hell he talking about? Hey, yeah, slow. Creep it up. Creep it up.
That's it.
Creep it
That's all
up.
you gotta do, man.
Yeah, creep up a little bit more. Make sure it's in low.
That shit.
Oh, he got the reverse cam working in there,
Gotta leave
y'all.
that shit alone, man.
Oh, he gotta leave the shit alone?
Hell yeah, you gotta leave that shit alone.
Okay. Scoot it up. Come on up a little bit more. All right. Here it comes. Oh!
That nigga won. Not two.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah, he got it.
He gonna run that nigga all night.
Oh,
But
man.
that's
That's the baddest one?
the baddest motherfucker you ever seen in your life.
Yeah.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out.